Good afternoon, children. Today we will start exercise 10.4. Question number 1, divide. Now, till now we have learned addition, subtraction, multiplication. Now we will learn about the decimal. We will learn divide. Okay, how to divide if we are having a decimal numbers with us. Okay, so number 1 question is here 337.04 should be divided by 8. Now how we are going to divide? So no need to worry, we have to start from the beginning only. Now you have to see first of all that 37, 3 and 7. We are having 2 digits. So this 37 comes in 8 table. So no. So what will come? So 8 4s are 32 is coming. We will do subtraction. 7 minus 2 will give me 5, 0, 3 minus 3, 0. Now I'll take this 0 down with me. Now this 0 belongs to after decimal. Okay, so here I have to put decimal. Now 50 is there. So 8 6 are 48 I'll take. Now 50 minus 48 will give me 2 answer. Okay, now I'll take this 4 down. Now after that should I put again decimal here because this 4 also belongs to after decimal? No, we don't have to put again. Here one time only we are going to put our decimal. Okay. Now in 8 table 24 comes. Yes, 8 3s are 24. So minus you will do, then answer will come 0 0. So what will be your answer? So my answer is 4.63, this one. Okay. Now what about the quotient? So we are having quotient that is 4.63 and we are having remainder with us, that is 0 0. Okay, now number 2 we will go. Now number 2 is here 0.288 should be divided by 9. So what we should do? 9 zeros are 0. We know that 9 zeros are 0 comes. Okay, so we will put first only. Now here after decimal numbers we are going to use it. So first of all we will put the decimal point. Now thereafterwards here 2 we cannot take alone because in 9 table 2 is not coming. So we will take 2 numbers together. So for that we have to put 1 0. Now 9 3s are 27. So if I will minus 28 minus 27 I will get 1 because 8 minus 7 1 0, 2 minus 2 0. Now I'll take this 8 down. Now 9 2s are 18. So here when I will minus 0 0 answer will come. So what is my final answer? So it is 0.032. Okay, now we will go to number 3. The question is 0.344. It should be divided by 8. Now first of all we will do 8 zeros are 0. So I have kept. Now after decimal numbers we are going to use. So first of all I will put my decimal point. Okay, now here after putting decimal alone 3 I cannot take because in 8 table 3 is not coming. So I have to take together 34. If I'll take 34 together, what will come in? 34 comes in 8 table. So no, it is not coming. So 2 digit I am taking first. Then I will keep first 0. Then I will take 4. So 8 4s are 32. Now I have to subtract. 4 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 3, 0. Now I'll take this 4 down. Now in 8 table 24 comes. Yes, how it is coming? So 8 3s are 24. So both I will minus, then I will get the answer 0. Now my answer is 0.043. Okay, and if you will multiply also 0.043 you will get the same answer, that is 0.344. Now number 4 is that 0.00344 should be divided by 8. Now you will think it is little difficult, but when you will understand the concept it is very easy. Now example, here I will start with the help of 0 only. 8 zeros are 0. So I will put first of all 1 0. Now this 0 I am going to do it. So before that decimal is there. So I will keep decimal point. In this sums, in division I am not going to change the division position. Okay, when you are using after numbers of decimal, so you have to put it decimal first. Now again 8 zeros are 0. Then again 8 zeros are 0. Okay, 2 times 0 I have written. Yes. Now 3 is coming. So in 8 table 3 comes? No. I have to take 2 numbers. So 3 and 4, 34. So 2 digit if we are taking together, what we should do? We have to put one more 0. Now again 34, how comes in 8 table? Not coming. So 8 4s are 32. So I'll subtract it, I'll get the answer 2. Now this 4 I will carry down. Now again 8 3s are 24. I'll subtract it, what I will get the answer? 3. Now my answer will be what? It is 0.00043. How many times zeros are there? So 3 times after decimal. Okay. Now we will go to number 5. It is 14.805 should be divided by 7. Now here 14 we will take first. Now here 2 digit like this any matter is not there because it is in the beginning we are doing. In the beginning we can take, but in the middle you have to take a single digit only. If single digit is not possible, 2 digits you are taking together, then you have to put 0 in middle. Now 7 2s are 14. First of all I will write down. It is very simple. Okay. Now here decimal is there. So I will keep decimal first. I will not change the decimal position. Then I will take with me 8. Now in 7 table 8 comes? No. 7 table 7 ones are 7 will come. So what is left with me? 1. Now I'll take this 0 down. Now again 7 ones are 7. How much is left? 3. Okay. Now I'll take this 5 with me down. Now in 7 table 5 comes. So 7 5s are 35. I will subtract. I will get 0 0. So yes, what is the answer? So answer is 2.115. Okay. Now we will go to number 6. The question is 151.8 should be divided by 23. So first of all I will take 15 is not coming, so I have to take all 3 digit. 151 means 151. So I'll take 23 6. What will come? 138. Okay. So I will do subtraction here. So 1 here 11 will happen. Here 4 will be there. So 11 minus 8 will give me 3. 4 minus 3 will give me 1. 1 minus 1 will give me 0. Now again I will take this 8 down with me. Why I will take? Because here now we need it. But here decimal is there, so I will keep one decimal over here. Now again 23 6 138. So I'll subtract it. I will get the 0 0 answer. So my answer is what? It is 6.6.